In front of me is Realme 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by clicking on the Recorder app. Then click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. If you want to, you can also tap on those three dots at the top right corner beforehand. Select settings and adjust them however you want to. For example, select recording mode. Then click on this red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to add a photo mark on the right one. Then take a pic, and to discard it, select X on the left. To save it and add it, tap on the check mark on the right. Now to get rid of your recording right away, hit cancel at the top left corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To save it though, hit save at the top right corner and name it however you want to. Then click on save here, and to play your recording, tap on it. To get rid of it, you need to hold it instead of clicking on it. Tap delete at the bottom left corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!